Bro, right here is we get in the city building. Go through it. Great. No. So these are freaking city buildings.
How much people
Is this a
Bro snapped his neck.
Bro snapped his neck. Are you okay, dude?
Okay.
I think he just flipped his Oculus upside down.
No, guys, I know what he's doing. He's playing on Nintendo Switch.
Why?
Wait, what is happening here? Is this like a fake
robot
guy?
This happened.
Is this one of the fake robot guys?
Maybe. This is anyone got join his name.
Bro's in Ohio right now. Bro's in Ohio.
Nothing happened.
Mini games? Oh, hell no. No mini games. Bro's in Ohio?
What the fuck did you say?
No, dude. You need to switch your name to Ohio, man.
His name is Clay.
Ohio.
This is Ohio monkey right here, bro. Most normal Ohio monkey. You just went for it. What are you gonna do, bro? Point at me. I'm not scared of you.
Bro, let's report him. Let's report him. Everyone report player.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Oh, he's reporting his own self.
Good job. Good job.
Okay, bet. I'm gonna report him.
Yeah, I'm gonna report him too. Get player out of here. Yeah, player. Unfortunately, you have to go. Bye. Cool.
Baby now.
Dude. I'm not scared of this man right here. Yeah. Hey.
Bro's in Ohio.
Chase me.
Change your name to Ohio, man.
He's walking like an NPC, so yeah, probably.
He's probably his name's probably Ohio, man. He's in Ohio.
Probably.
Bro, that's why he's playing on Nintendo Switch, because he's in Ohio. His friend got Nintendo Switch. Yo, player, come here. Player,
I'm not scared of you. Where you going, player? Are you leaving?
his head got Nintendo. Don't let him leave. Your head got Nintendo Switch. Your head got Nintendo Switch. Wait, we can see if he's an actual bot. If he does the one hand movement, then he's an actual bot. Unless he does the trick. Wait, is this the guy from earlier? Oh, this might be the guy from earlier. Oh, let's see. Let's see.
Claire, what are you doing? Oh, boss.
What the hell?
Oh, boss.
Huh?
Nintendo Switch.
I don't think it's
Okay, yeah, he's a faker.
He's on
Wait, is he gonna go up into the trees? Is he gonna go up into the trees?
Wait, what's his name?
Oh my god, wait, he's actually going up into
His
the
name is
trees.
Player.
Yeah, that's his whole name, just player. Is this an actual ball?
Oh, I seen this hacker.
I think
No.
so.
If you touch him, he'll ban you.
I mean,
would be broken.
no,
Bro, I
no
touched him
player-
like 10
no
times
player-
already. Are you sure?
No player can actually walk like that. So yeah, it
could
could probably be a bot.
No. He's playing on Nintendo Switch. That's why he's walking like that.
Hey,
That's
player.
true, bro.
I see player 4. He's a hacker.
He's not a hacker.
That's the same thing that this guy's doing. How is he hacking? He's an outlaw hacker, you know.
How?
How?
How? Do you
I can
wanna
tell
change
he's a
how
real
he's
hacker
hacking?
or not.
I was just being a hacker. Bro, Jesus.
There's no proof this
He's
guy's a
moving like a
hacker.
certain way
Yes.
that only hackers move. Like, so I know that he's a hacker.
Bro, you can just do that. Bro, dumb. Bro, that's a lot of people that in the mirror.
Or the Siberian map.